My name is Abraham Khleif. I go by Abe. So I'm the founder, owner, and the general manager for Atlanta Auto Ventures. NextGear Capital helped tremendously powered our business forward. I started at one point back in 2011, and now we have multiple businesses, including like a sister company that helps refurbishing, full collision, and mechanic as well. Before I worked with NextGear Capital is the ability to access capital, because banks or lenders, they're hesitant to give you anything more than a credit card. The main reason why I chose NextGear Capital over the other competitors is the access for the capital, to be able to floor the car instantly and to have the unit moved within the same day that you buy it. This was a big deal. NextGear Capital, that gives you the ease of the access to capital and the efficiency of getting the cars that you buy from different states. 40% of our sales is really out of state. So I'll be concurrently buying cars from 3 different auctions, one click flooring them, one click dispatching them for the driver a day later. Another thing is it enabled me to have more selection of units to grow at a certain pace when it's necessary. It's a better cash flow management. Sometimes you face a bottleneck when it comes to cash flow. So many times I relied heavily on NextGear and the access to capital that we have in order to free some cash and grow the other side of the business. So there is many benefits really that we were able to leverage based on the relationship that we built with NextGear over the years. Our NextGear account evolved over the years based on the rate of growth. When we started, it was like 25,000, which sounds nothing, but for someone that has nothing, it's a lot. If it wasn't for NextGear, our rate of growth will be way less. With NextGear Capital, the terms are simple and clear. There is no hidden fees. The interest rate is reasonable, and there is no surprise at the end. There's a lot of ease with dealing with NextGear Capital. NextGear Capital helped us tremendously reduce stress. It's really important. I know that if I needed capital or if I need more units, it's there and it's available for us. So far, we never had any surprise, and this is really crucial. Our portfolio manager with NextGear is Miss Tanya, the one and only. Tanya has a great impact on our business, and I look at her as a business partner, a friend, and a family more than just a business partner. It's all based on trust. So if I needed anything, I just quick text. And the most important thing is she does care. When you go to a bank and you have that formality and they look at you, they're trying to kind of like size you up, see how many dimes you're worth. I love when she calls me out of the blue, Abe, I love your performance, I need to get you more money. No lender will do that. We have that great relationship. We're growing this business in the right direction. NextGear made it possible for me to choose to be a business owner rather than employee. So yeah, dream comes true.